still feeling bleh. But I thought I'd kind of just make a quick one today. So I'm debating on which letter I need to write back first. I usually try to go in order. This is from a new pal. From my friend Gina. This is from my friend Darcy. This is from my friend, like, this one is really old. I don't even want to, like, show you the postmark. Because, you know, and I see her on Facebook every now and then, but I think I need to write her as, like, the oldest, I think. It's from my new pal, Bien. It's from my pal, Mary. My friend, Andrea. And I did this one already, right? This is Ashley. She's so freaking creative. Like, I absolutely love her. Like, she writes on different materials. Like, this one was all on magazine paper. That's so cool. Let's see if I can open it a little bit without ripping it with my hand. So see, she kind of like wrote it all on the magazine paper and stapled it together. She's creative. So, I don't know. That's what I'm doing tonight. It's Friday night. It's 8 o'clock. I'm watching the Wizards. That's it. Bye, you guys.